This is just a quick little preview video to show my next project that I'm working on right now. It's an original OG OM1. Currently has the 50mm 1.8. Relatively early serial numbers. Fires just fine. Shutter speeds are going to get tested and verified. It's going to get opened and lubricated. This engraved base plate, if my phone will stop overexposing. So there we go. The original owner, I'm second owner on this camera. The original owner engraved all of their information: social security, phone number, address. This woman has since passed away. She's no longer with us. Rest in peace, ma'am. But I do have a parts camera, which is also an OM1, but it is very mint. So it is going to end up with the parts. This camera does not work. It has an issue with the winding mechanism. A motor drive was on this before I got it, and something went wrong. Even though the camera is not winding, I cannot manually release the shutter. Right here, you should be able to push this and it'll release the shutter, usually, if there's not something severely wrong with the camera. But there is something severely wrong with this camera. So this is a parts camera, and all the pretty bits off of this one will be going on to this ugly working one and becoming a beautiful usable camera for the next owner to take and enjoy for a long time. It'll be getting new light seals. Shutter speeds will be getting checked and make sure that they're all accurate. I'm going to go through and make sure that there's no bad electrical connections. It's going to get a full overhaul, CLA. It'll probably be available on my Mercari in about a month. Maybe a little bit less time depending on how busy I get at my full-time actual day job. But yeah, this one will be available for sale soon on my Mercari, and then also I'll be putting an update once my actual personal website gets up, because I don't want to keep paying a third party just to sell cameras that I'm repairing to support my photography habit. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little update. I'm currently waiting on I ordered a full suite of all the OM series repair manuals from the service, like the service factory manuals. So I will be doing everything by the factory book. I'm just waiting on that to get delivered. I ordered a disc full of PDFs. So now I'm just waiting on my PDFs to get here, and then I will be overhauling Olympus's for the foreseeable future, because I have become quite addicted to these little cameras. Even though I'm a Nikon person, I have become a huge fan of the form factor of these Olympuses and the functionality, especially the shutter speed right here. I love not having to move my hand away from the lens to change my shutter speed. This is one of my favorite things. I could just get a Nikon matte. I know Nikon did that, but they didn't do it as well as Olympus did, so I'll just stick with using Olympuses for that option. But if you have any preferred Olympus bodies or lenses, I'm also going to be servicing lenses. If you have any preferred Olympus stuff that you'd like to see, just comment below, and I'll try to find a parts version or a needs repair version of one and record some videos on it.